If you don't have the time or patience to spend hours watching lengthy videos and going through overwhelming amounts of content, here's a smarter and more efficient solution to help you save time and get straight to the key insights. Simply go to NoteGPT.io. Check out the description box for the link. Click here to log in or sign in with your email. Click on AI YouTube. Here you can summarize, transcript, and more of YouTube videos. Select YouTube Summarizer. Copy the YouTube video link you want to summarize or transcript. Paste it here and press Generate Summary. Wait a little moment to do this amazing job for you. Here is the summary of the more than an hour-long video. And here is the full transcript of the video. You can accomplish a wide range of valuable tasks within this single tool, including PDF summarization, web page summarization, note-taking and organization, AI-powered interaction with documents, text summarization, key point extraction, content structuring, text rewriting and simplification, highlighting and bookmarking, and multi-language support. If you'd like a detailed tutorial, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll walk you through how this tool can save you hours of valuable time and serve as a powerful all-in-one solution. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.